Hello, I made this video to document how I need the toilets cleaned. This is not a suggestion or inference that you don't know how to clean the toilet, but it's basically what I need done. So what I'm doing here is first just kind of doing a traditional clean where you throw some cleaner in there and scrub it. But what we're going to do here is we're going to turn the water off the toilet and we're going to bail it out. We're going to empty all the water out of the toilet so that we can use a particular cleaner. Now, it's not terribly visible in this video, but there's a ring there, and we're not going to clean it with a pumice stone. We are going to clean it with this water stain remover, which actually is safe enough for glass. And I'm putting it on here full strength with this special white scrub pad, which is a soft. It's not the green pads. The green pads will definitely scratch. And then we got to rinse it. That scrubbing time was probably about almost 10 minutes. So we're going to bail it all out again. We're going to, once we've rinsed the water, we're going to dry the surface, and then we're going to use this wax. Yes, we're going to wax the toilet. I got it. You're going to wax the toilet every time. What this does is helps prevent buildup of that hard water stain. So you put the wax on, you buff it out, rub it in, kind of dry it up and spin it, and work it done. And then you have a perfectly clean bowl. And I need this done every single time that the toilets are cleaned. Thank you.